Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to enable dark mode in Gridbox. Gridbox admin panel automatically inherits the appearance settings from the Joomla administrator template. If dark mode is enabled in your Joomla administrator panel, Gridbox will automatically switch to the dark theme as well. Simply change the appearance settings in your Joomla administrator profile, and Gridbox will adapt automatically. To change the theme in the Gridbox editor, click the theme switcher on the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, choose one of the available options. Light, always use light mode. Dark, always use dark mode. Auto, automatically match your operating system theme. Select the option that best suits your preferences, and the Gridbox editor will update its appearance accordingly. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.